so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah! Hey, it's me, Meekah, and today I'm in Peekaboo Playland in Eagle Rock, California. This place looks like so much fun. I can't wait to check everything out. Oh, look down here. I found 1, 2 cars. Whoa, look how big these wheels are. Maybe they'll race. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Hey, I have an idea. What if we pretended that we were in a really busy town? There's lots going on. There's cars everywhere, and they're getting really dirty. And we have to build a car wash to wash the cars. Will you play with me? Awesome. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm ready to explore. Come on. Hey, let me know if you find a really good place to set up a car wash. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's under here? Well, I have these 2 little cars. I don't know if this is a good spot though. This big table already takes up so much space. Whoa, look at this car. Oh, it even has eyes on it. Hello, Mr. Car. Hello. Whoa, we could wash this car too. It's a lot bigger than these. We're gonna need a lot of space. We need a lot of things for a car wash. We need space, we need soap, we need water, we need sponges. All right, let's keep looking. I'm gonna look up here. Hello! Oh yeah, that's definitely not a good space for a car wash. It's just a fun slide. Well, when in doubt, dance it out. Come on, cars, let's dance it out. Huh, let's check this place out. It's a tiny kitchen. This is so cool. There's table and chairs and a refrigerator full of food. But this is not a great place for a car wash. You can't wash cars in the kitchen. Hey, look, there's a sponge in here. This will be the greatest sponge ever to just clean these cars, make them squeaky, shiny, clean. All right, we have a sponge, we have some cars, we still need to find the best place for our car wash. Let's go. Wait a minute. Is this the perfect place to build a car wash? Look at all of this space. There's blocks where we can build the car wash. Oh, there's a bucket. Oh, hi. Do you mind if I use this bucket? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we can pretend that there's soap and water in here. Okay. And look, there's a big car that we could wash. That'll be super fun. Okay, we have little cars, we have a big car, soap and water, sponge. Now we just have to build our car wash. Let's do it. I'm gonna build this tower, and I think that's a good height. Will you help me count these blocks? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I want the same tower on the other side, how many blocks will I need? That's right, 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Now they're even. This can be a little roof. Okay, now let's test it out and make sure that our big car can fit through. Oh yeah, it fits. Okay, put that there, and then, This will be really fun for the little cars. Welcome to the grand opening of Meekah's Car Wash. We're looking for those dirty cars. We want to wash those cars. Oh, well, here's one right here. Whoa, you've been through a lot. We're gonna clean you up. Get some soap and water on here. There's a lot of dirt on this car. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky clean. Oh, sorry, got some on your eye there. Okay, I think it's time to go through the car wash. Okay, let's go, car. Get ready for the water. Shh. Are you kidding me? Are you the cleanest car ever? You look amazing, so sparkly, so clean. Thank you. Oh, you are the most welcome. Well, have a great day. Bye. Now we can wash the little cars. Okay, here they are. 1, 2. Get some soap and water for these little ones. And scrub, scrub, clean. Wow, this is so much fun. Clean, 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 scrub, 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 clean, 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 and a scrub, scrub, scrub. Now it's time to get all those bubbles off. Let's go through the car wash. Shh. Wow, you two look so clean. And guess what? There's a special part for little cars just like you. Welcome to the bonus slide. Vroom, 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 vroom. Here comes the blue one. All right, have a good day. Bye, car. And here's the orange one. Ready for the slide now that you're all nice and clean? Vroom, vroom, vroom. All right, buddy, have a great day. Hey, I wonder if there are more cars that we can clean. Let's go. Hey, up here. Will you help me find more things to put through our car wash? Oh, great, let's do it. Hey, we haven't looked inside the tower yet. A fire truck! This fire truck could totally go through our car wash. Vroom, vroom. There's a fish up here. Could a fish go through a car wash? No, fish don't need to get cleaned in a car wash. They're already in water. Goodbye, fish. Oh, I'm gonna go down the slide. I'll meet you at the bottom. Whoa! Did you see how fast I went? Okay, these two can go straight to the car wash. So long. Here you go, fire truck. I'll meet you there. All right, let's keep looking. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a baby carriage. A baby carriage does not need to go through the car wash. This can go through our car wash. Okay, ready to get clean? Straight ahead, meet you there. Another baby carriage. That can't go through the car wash. A tractor. Oh, this will be so much fun to clean the tractor. All right, tractor, take a break from the farm. You're going to the car wash. See you there. Let's see if there's anything else that we can wash. I found an orange motorcycle. This can definitely go through the car wash. All right, I think we have everything we need. I'll meet you at the car wash. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, whoa. I'm okay. Oh no, the car wash. Oh, that's okay. We can rebuild it. Do you remember how we built this thing? Oh, good. Okay, to build a tower. Nice. I think it looks pretty good. Hey, we did it. We did it. We build. All right, I need my bucket and sponge. And, ooh, let's wash this car first. Hello, car. We're gonna make you nice and clean. All right. And a scrub-a-dub-dub, a scrub-a-dub-dub, a scrub-a-dub-dub, and a scrub-a-dub-dub. Okay. Watch your eyes. I do have some soap here. Okay. All right. Now you can go through the car wash and get those bubbles off. Here you go. Vroom, vroom. Shh. So clean. Oh, you look so nice. Okay, we're gonna move you, tractor. Why don't you just dry in the sunshine? Oh, and looks like you're ready to get clean. This is my first time cleaning a tractor. Whoa, it's a little different than a car. Get those wheels. Nice, soapy. Okay, are you ready for the car wash? Awesome, let's go. Looking good, Mr. Tractor. Okay, you can sit here to dry. Beautiful. And oh, what about my favorite, the orange motorcycle? Okay, it got even dirtier because I crashed into the car wash. My bad. Squeaky clean. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay, time to go through the car wash. Wow, you look amazing. Okay, you can sit here and dry. And last but certainly not least, we have our two little vehicles, fire truck and a car. I think we can wash you two at the same time. I love the sounds that vehicles make. Like they could have sirens on them like fire trucks. Woo, woo. Or they could have big engines. And they could sound like vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, let's go through the car wash together. Shh. Wow, and you get to go down our super fun slide and then you'll get really dry. Ready? And now you, fire truck. Everything is so nice and clean now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time to celebrate with a clean car parade. All right, first up we have beautiful Miss Green looking very nice and clean. You go, girl. Shh. Bye-bye, thank you so much. And next up we have this clean tractor headed back to the farm. So long, tractor. And we can't forget my little buddy here, the motorcycle that went through a crash, but survived. Go on, motorcycle. And our two friends, the fire truck and the big car. All right, later. Today was so much fun playing with you at Peekaboo Playland. Thank you so much for helping me build that amazing car wash. We cleaned so many things together. We cleaned cars and trucks, ooh, and a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Cool. M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn